Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Motor Learning Skill for Children. Today I'm going to show you different activities to improve your bilateral coordination skill, which mean involving multiple parts of your body to do a particular task smoothly, efficiently, without any difficulties. There are different type of bilateral coordination. Number one, symmetrical movement. Number two, alternate movement. Symmetrical movement means involving different part of the body to do same task at the same time, such as let's say catching a ball. You raise your both arms at the same time to catch the ball, right? Or let's say jump rope, jumping jack, etc. Number two, alternate movement, where walk in alternate ways, like walking or running, climbing up the tree, climbing up the ladder, or let's say riding a bicycle, etc. So in these activities, we'll be focusing on improving our bilateral coordination, right? So let's get started. Let's begin with the warming up exercises, which is integrated with the main activities. On the spot jogging, swing your arms back and forth slowly for some time, and then you can increase the pace. Inside of the foot touch. With slow jogging motion, touch your inside of the foot in alternate ways. Right hand will touch the inside of the left foot and left hand to the right foot. Inside and outside foot touch. Touch your right foot inside and outside with the right hand. Repeat the movement for several times and then switch to the other side and repeat the same movement. Alternate inside of foot touch behind the leg. Touch your hand to the inside of the opposite foot behind the planted foot in alternate ways. Jumping jack. This is a symmetrical movement. Try to do it as many times as you can, but always start slow, then move to high intensity. Next we have clapping. Bring your arms together, clap in front and behind the body, under each thigh by lifting the leg. This is a combination of symmetrical and alternate movement. Alternate elbow to knee touch. Keep your both hands behind the head. With slow jogging motion, start alternate elbow to knee touch. Right elbow to left knee and left to right. Alternate toe touch. Spread your feet apart more than your hip width, arms fully extended on side. Try to touch your right finger to the left toe and left finger to the right toe. Do same as demonstrated. Repeat the exercises as many times as you can and always start slow and then increase the pace. Next, color jump. This is a fun way to develop your coordination and balance. Jump with the right foot on a yellow and jump off to the green with both foot on each green at the same time, and then jump with the right foot on the red, finally both foot on the green. Turn around and start from the back. Do it as many times as you can. Next variation of color jump. Please observe that you have to touch the red color with your feet together, yellow color with your hands, and the green color with your alternate foot placement. Once you have finished, turn around and start from the back. Try to do it as many times as you can. Balloon juggling. Juggle the balloon with alternate palm. Gently push the balloon up and let it fall down below your head height and push it back again. Repeat the exercise as many times as you can. Next is balloon to balloon juggling. Grab one balloon in your hand and juggle the other one gently for some time and then switch the balloon without breaking the momentum and continue juggling. Repeat it as many times as you can. True balloon juggling. Juggle both the balloon at the same time. Here the challenge is to keep both the balloon afloat for as long as you can. Next we have balloon rotation. Toss both the balloon one after another in a clockwise direction. As soon as the first balloon drops, toss it back again as quickly as possible to avoid collision with the second one. Do it for some time and repeat it in an anti-clockwise direction. Toss and spin. Toss the balloon up and spin one time to toss it back again. You can do it in both directions. To make it more challenging, you can use your left hand or increase the number of spin. Next we have body part. Juggling the balloon with a different part of your body. You can use different part of your body to keep the balloon afloat. You can also improvise different style of juggling. Try to do it as many times as you can.